So today we are at New Home Co. in South Cooper Mountain. We are touring the Irvington floor plan. This is a gorgeous 2-story, 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,804 square feet of pure lusciousness. Let's go. Welcome to 13884 Southwest 165th Avenue in Tigard, right on the edge of Beaverton. This is the LAST Irvington floor plan from New Home Co., and it's got everything. 10-foot ceilings make the main level feel huge and full of light. Just under 2,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a bonus room, and a private fenced yard. The great room is your hangout zone. Sleek fireplace, tall windows, and a layout that flows into the dining space. Perfect for Friendsgiving, game nights, or just binge watching Netflix with your crew. The kitchen, huge. Big island, stainless steel appliances, and tons of space to cook. Or let's be real, to spread out your Uber Eats and still look good on the TikTok. Up front, you've got a full bedroom and a bath, perfect for your parents' visit, for your roommates, or even a home office. Upstairs, the primary suite is next level. Coved ceilings, dual walk-in closets, and a spa-style bath with double sinks, soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. Down the hall are 2 more bedrooms, the laundry room, yes, upstairs where it actually makes sense, and a bonus room you can flip into a gym, media room, or gaming setup. Outside, you've got walkable shops, parks, and restaurants, so your daily coffee, weekend brunch, and late night bites are literally right around the corner. DM me today and let's tour this place together. With over 23 years of experience in new home contracts, I'll help you snag the best incentives and make sure you don't miss out on the LAST Irvington.